'Cause I ain't a fascinated. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea, and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy, can't hit baseball, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, get this beat shit like money. Big dog, all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow up. Hey, let's go! Here's in the stars tonight, so we bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky star. Light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come and
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Coding. So today in this video we will go to make app WhatsApp app. This first we have to drag here vertical arrangement. It will be available in layout here. Drag here and we have to put it side as fill parents with as fill parents. To go to we have to drag from layout only horizontal arrangement like, and its width we will put as fill parents. Then we have to drag, you go to user interface, drag button 1 in horizontal arrangement. Then we have to go to horizontal arrangement, align horizontal, we will put as right 2. Then after doing this we will put the height. We will go to button 1 and erase its text, and we will go to height 100 pixel, we put its height at 100 pixel or with also 100 pixel. Then we have to go to new tab, and we have to search a WhatsApp for Android. Then we have to click on, after clicking at this image I have been uploaded like this, and then wait for a minute. Yes, it's going. Then we have to change its color as cyan, this also as cyan. Yes. This also as cyan. Then we have to go, we have, yes, we are thinking what to do. Yes, we have to go to extension, import extension. We will get extension from here. I will send the link, this link of extension in my in description. We have to down click on this. It will take time, and we have to click on save. We have to go to my app inventor tab. We have to drag import extension. This we have to drag this file into here and import. Yeah, it has been uploaded. We have to drag this in screen, and our work has been done here. Then we have to go to block. It's very simple coding, so let's start it. Then we have to drag it. We have to go to button one do dot click. Then we have to go to call logger. Yes, no, not this. Yes, this one. Open call SMS. Then we have to go to math 01 here. Let's put our number as 8888810. We have to write write our country code in starting like this. I live in India, so I will put as like this, and we have to drag it maths. We have to drag this here, and then we have to click on this. My country code is 91, Indian country code is plus 91. My country code is this, Indian country code is this. After writing this, we have to write a number. Let's take my number is this, and we have to go to text and drag this one. Okay, our app has been made. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe button. And if the video was helpful, do comment on this whether video was helpful or was not. And thanks for watching, and share with your friends and set them to like, share and subscribe. Bye, we will meet in next video soon.